Friends, coming to another very important point, which is going to determine the next 10, 15 to 20 years of development of our state, is the human development aspect. And in the human development aspect, I would like to specially mention about mother and child health. Friends, we all know that the numbers and the situation that our mothers and children face is very, very difficult. And we as a society and as a government need to put our heads and hearts together to be able to change this aspect. I would like to share with you that in Meghalaya, because of different situations and different beliefs, sometimes different conditions, on an average, we lose almost 5 mothers every week. 5 mothers die every week in Meghalaya because of different situations that are there. Every week, more than 30 children dying because of different reasons. And this needs to change. And therefore, as a government, we have started many programs and started to monitor this in a very detailed manner, so that we are keeping track of every mother who is pregnant, we're keeping track of every child who is born, and we are ensuring that we continuously monitor this. But this is an exercise, as I said, where government will play its role, but the family and the society also has to be part of the entire exercise if we really want to make a difference. Early childhood development. We all know, and science has proved it, that a child's mind and brain and other skills like emotion, creativity, cognitive skills and other social skills, language skills, these develop in the child at a very, very early stage, from 0 to 8, in some cases 0 to 5. Therefore, we need to ensure that programs are made for early childhood development and education. I'm happy to inform you that Meghalaya state is one of the first states in the country to come out with the early childhood education program. We have budgeted and sanctioned and released 10 crores in this financial year itself to start these programs, where we make the different ICDS centers as early childhood education centers, where we feel strongly that every child should be given an opportunity